What going me, G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
My viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How you do? You know alright? I hope you in good health and good strength, cause me not mad out. Oh. I'm mad Mackie, I'm mad out. I hope you in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. You know feel pain? I hope you not feel no pain. And if you don't feel any pain, remember if you go check the doctor, go at the doctor. Call the doctor. Make the doctor come check you at your house if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, make somebody bring you over to the doctor. Yeah, hold on. Mental. Hold on. Mackie sisters. Not the son, because the son say her ex Mackie son. Mackie sisters and friends. Uno go check pan him. Because mental health crisis is not a joke. Please, me I beg you go check pan him because he can't go out, sir. He can't go out like this. Whoa. Wait, little bit. Wait a little bit. Me can't handle the show like how me supposed to handle the show. You know, mental health. Remember, if you do some wellness check, call upon your family and Mackie family, do wellness check, wellness call upon him. As a matter of fact, you don't even have to call because he live at one of his sister house. So you go check upon him in the room there. Check if him in there after this because, brother, them hold him on the ship. He couldn't come over the ship. He couldn't even come over the ship because he hold them. What a worthless man. Go on the ship, go spend money like a him. Meanwhile, what a worthless man. Anyway, hold on a little bit. Wait a little bit. Hey, Kim. You there here, Kim? Kim, come here.
Mackie left me and divorced and Mackie are mad.
Whoa! Kim ala.
I don't know who you have the advice to papa. Go lay down. Abe, Mackie, me have a beautiful baby girl. I know my fault. You walk out. Some woman say the man never left you yet. And the greatest thing that Mackie left me. Mackie left me and divorced and Mackie are mad.
Hold on a little bit.
Fucking idiot.
What?
Fucking boy. Dunce. Fucking
In
fool.
dance. Lord. Move out. What is this?
And you come talk on my baby girl. Listen. Guess what I'm gonna believe in her. But Alex, I know what man say, I will God say.
Hold on the people. Wait a little bit. You know, wait a little bit. Make we play that intro a little bit. Listen to what that man has said. You hear the fly, them a fly? A drunk rock fly doing? I don't fly. Drunk rock. Stupid! Dunce! Yeah! Move out Kim way. You are mad so mad there. Move out Kim way. You are mad so mad there. I'm mad you, I'm mad out. I'm mad you, I'm mad out. But Mackie, brother, me no know where to start. Me no know which part to start. When me people them there, me viewers and me subscribers. Whoo. Hey, when you don't see me I make video, me want to know if you step aside and make me make my video. Move out and me way make me make my video. Because you know hear what Kim say. You know hear what Kim say. Him thump out him baby mother teeth, them 32 teeth out her mouth. And I know the boy a take said pan people. And I know him a treat woman like nobody. When me come out and me make video, some of you know, all content creator too, cause everybody a get lick right now. All content creator come out of them mouth to talk about what me do and how me do and what me do. Because me know what me I do. Because when me dig and find and when me make my video, I tell me I try to show you, say Mackie been taking advantage of woman from him yardie and me. Him thump out her teeth them. All of the 32 teeth you have to use danger. Every woman, you know hold on, you know hear when me come out and say all of the wife them where him married to and him divorce them less one. The first wife divorce him. And also me go say something to her no, and me never say this. Not one of the woman that Mackie married to was born in the United States of America. And none of you know that. Not one of you know that. All of them have foreign name because he married them to make them stay in this country and him use this visa over them head. Let me tell you something. And I kind of don't want to be rude to people. So through that now, I kind of make video a certain way. But at the same time, I listen to some my subscriber them and I have when I tell them the truth. I have some subscriber where really and truly love me honestly and respect me and respect how I go to work. When you listen to my video them, if you use your head, you realize me I give you a message and me I send out a message. Most of all, when me make the videos, let me tell you something what you don't know and me go help you out now. If you notice the video them when me make, people always come say all kind of things and get themselves in a trouble. Because that is how me make video. You realize me make a video and me say, me ask Rumram, who is the name of the person? I never did say a Rumram wife, you know. I never said it was Rumram wife. I asked him, who is the individual? Hold on, me never go into that. Me never go into that. That of your next video. Listen to what Alicia Kim say. All of the wife them were married to. Him left them in a certain, him divorced them in a certain time. Because him believe, him not understand immigration. So him divorced them that time because him want them not to get them papers. However, him no realize say you have 2 years and after 2 years, it's kind of free for all. You easy to get your papers and him no want you to stay in the country for 5 years. While married, that's why him divorce everybody before the 5 years. Listen to what Alicia Kim say. Go back and watch all my video. I want to realize that everything where Alicia Kim say, what me say in my videos them. About him taking advantage of woman, about him beating woman, about him do all kind of things to woman, pulling guns, firing guns on woman. Just like the same thing that you see, that little bad getting rude boy, nasty mouth, all kind of things, you see, I take out gun because that's them power. That's them power. Let me tell you something. Listen to me good. You know listen to Alicia Kim? I reel it out. Alicia Kim have the bag of things where she can't tell you, but she not here. She said she's sorry for him. Me know, remember me said that? She's sorry for him because she don't really want to brutalize him because she have it. Me tell you know. Me been telling you. But none of you no want to believe me because you believe say, oh, Rodney a liars because enough of you out there, you know. And enough of you out there listen to a room ram and the little idiot over there so I say. And I say, oh, Rodney, I tell lie. But make me tell you something. You know, I try to tell lie for me if you claim so you know want to cancel me. But remember me tell you this. The only person can cancel me off of YouTube is YouTube. None of you can cancel me. Because me know what me a talk about. Me have me grounds. You think me ready for room ram yet? Room ram, anytime me come in, remember, you know, get ready, you know. Because your people, some of your people them over there say me go too far, they not see far yet. Mackie, you say, me only listen one part of your video. Me couldn't listen the rest of your video. Because you, as a matter of fact, me never did even want to talk about you again. Because me can't believe say you come out and make yourself look like an idiot again. Hold on. Mackie, you say, when you and Alicia Kim just start, you talk to Alicia Kim and you tell her about your thing. You produce sperm and all that. And you tell me, say, when you and her that Jamaica, you talk to Alicia Kim about she can get sperm from your son? Did you really say it out of your own mouth? Hold on a little bit.
Watch out.
Listen.
Two hours and nonsense. But people kind of up to date with some of the stuff them what she said. You understand? And I am here for, you know, address some of them. I hear she come out and talk about, you know, based on what I hear, I talk about sperm and stuff like that. I'm going to address that for you guys. When I met this woman over the phone, we talk about all kind of stuff. We talk about relationship. We talk about a few stuff. And we talk about as a matter of fact, me. Talk about my health and what I've been through and all of them stuff. You understand? And we talk about baby and stuff like that because I never leave out anything. You know, as a younger woman, I make sure I leave everything on the table. And I said to this Jezebel, I said, listen, you know, I had prostate cancer, you know, in 2006, and, you know, I had it removed and stuff like that. And with me having that removed, my drawbacks is, you know, where kids is concerned. Because, I mean, I can still produce kids, you understand? Because I still produce sperm and all them stuff. But it will be, you know, a process doing it. So I tell her all of them stuff, right? And she said to me that baby wasn't an option. You understand? So, you know, I said to her, I said, well then boy, you know, it's not a well then boy, it can happen. You understand? But if it ever happen, this would be this scenario, right? Going in to get it or use one of my son. This was an option I gave to her. You understand? Because, I mean, what else could I say to this woman?
Hold on a little bit. So hold on. Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. So when Kim say, you say about son sperm, and now you come admit it. Say Kim wasn't telling a lie. But you also tell a lie because you say when you just start to talk. So hold on a little bit. You are trying to spin the narrative. So when you and Kim just attack, you talk to Kim about getting your son's sperm. That time Kim down Jamaica. Lie. What a liar, man. What a liar. Hey, listen me good. Listen me good, my viewers and subscribers. And this is not a joke thing. This is serious business. When you listen to Mackie telling lies, and then you listen to where Kim come out and say, see, put those things together. Put those things together. And would I like to ask myself, how do the Drunkertown, how them feel listening to what Kim have to say? First the comments. You remember when I make a video, I'm telling you, say, the affidavit was signed also by Mackie's sister. Because that's the reason why Mackie's sister went to the airport to pick up Kim. You don't believe me when me attack. Me know when me attack, say. Because Mackie no have no money. If you don't have the money in the account, you need an affidavit support. You need somebody to sign the petition, the paper with you, who have some money in the account. Remember when me telling you about the marriage we go on, the blind, and you remember when me telling you about the marriage, you never believe me. I hope you don't believe me. I hope you don't sit down now and realize that everything you want to hear me I tell you now, me know what me I talk about. Me not only there so I talk because me have a mouth. Me talk because me know things. And see Kim come telling you this evening there. Them hold your hostage on the ship because you go up on the ship and see how stupid you is. You go up on the ship and you use the ship give you a card and you know say the card connect to Alicia Kim. Is a lucky thing Alicia Kim smart. Because she never got pay no $1,500 or no over $1,000. For where you go, you depend ship a gambler going like you a big shot. Now you say you have receipt. Now you see she draw up the receipt for the trip. Hold on. Me see picture of you in a bed. Show me a picture of Alicia Kim in your bed in a you house. You need to show a picture of you in a Theo house with Alicia Kim in your bed. Workless. Come here, Kim. Come here, Kim. Chat to him.
Mackie left me and divorced, and Mackie are mad.
Hold on a little bit. What Kim say? Why? Dunce. Move out the way. We are Mackie So Mad. Move on. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit, man. Hey, I wonder if, 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 I wonder, hey, 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 hey. Yeah! Hold on. Hold on a little bit. My viewers and subscribers. Whew. Brother, wait. Wait a little bit. Kim have a message. Kim have a message. Hold on a little bit. Kim have a message. Where message there? Are you saying the message there? Hold on. Kim have a message. What the message?
Jamaican,
Come here.
you women who support this man, are you daft? Are you so incapable?
Are you deaf?
Of simple reasoning while you're championing a man that speaks ill will on a baby?
Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Kish, Jackie, Rosa. Who know you where Kim just said ago? Who know daft? Who know daft? Eh? Who know daft? Eh? Hold on a little bit. Wait, man. Wait, man. Wait.
Seems like bailing you out of trouble is going to be a lifetime job for me.
There wouldn't be no trouble except for that king shit cut.
All I wanted was something to eat. The man kept pushing, sir. Well, you did some pushing on your own, John.
They drew first blood, not me.
Oh, okay. Ooh, hold on. So, Mackie. So your son write Kim a message. So you have Mackie, just like how you have ex-wives, you have ex-son, you have ex-son too. Mackie, you got ex-son. Your son say ex-son. Hey, I be hype about Kimani, you know, cause a Kimani that, you know. I be hype about Kimani, you know. Boy. Brother. Boy, I'm not telling no lie. My viewers and subscribers. Them get heart attack. Hold on, wait. Me need to find Kim. Kim, come here, Kim. Come here, Kim. Come help me. Come. Let me have to find Kim, cause Kim, Kim a comic, you know.
Mackie left me and divorced, and Mackie are mad.
Abe.
I don't know.
Hey. Hold on. Kim. What you say?
Mackie left me and divorced, and Mackie are mad.
Kim. Say it again.
Mackie left me and divorced, and Mackie are mad. a day.
Hold on. Hold on. Whew. Oh boy. Hey, maybe you are down subscribers. Me not tell no lie, but we can make this a video good. Kim, you can't do me so. Kim, you can't do me so. No, sir. Ease up on me a little bit. Hey, Mackie. Kim say you can't go out like that. Kim say you can't go out like that. You must go out better. Kim say the man never talk about poor Mackie. Poor Mackie. Hey, let me tell you something. Ram. He's just like Mackie, you know. The only thing is, the woman I use and abuse you. Yeah, man, the woman I use and abuse you. Remember me tell you, hey, Mackie, let me tell you something. You get heart attack. Why? Hold on. Wait a little bit. Hold on a little bit. But Kim say, I know fear fault make you. I know fear fault make you drop on your ass. I know fear. Hold on. Hey, Mackie, hold on a little bit. I have a message to you. Kim, what you say again? What you say?
And I can laugh, Mackie, because guess what? It's not my fault.
Mackie, Kim say she can laugh because it's not her fault that you drop on your ass. I know Kim fault. Make you drop on your ass. Mackie, I know Kim fault make you drop on your ass. You shoulda stand up strong when you left Kim. You left Kim and think she would have dropped on her ass, but yet still you want to blame her. I know Kim fault make you drop on your ass. I know Kim fault make you drop on your ass. The same toilet paper your teeth out of the house. You need to use it. Go clean for your ass, cause I know Kim fault. Make you drop on your ass. People. What am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do now? I need a better pray now. Trouble again, Mackie getting nervous. Whoa. Trouble again, Mackie are getting nervous. What am I gonna do now? Mackie, you need prayer. Trouble again, Mackie are getting nervous. Pull up. What is this? What a piece of something. You imagine Mackie just get up and tell pure lie. Mackie get up and tell pure lie upon this young lady. When Mackie know that this young lady have everything. And my viewers and subscribers, this is what you all need to learn. That these men, you cannot tell them anything that they're wrong. They'll go continue to hold harden, continue to fight, continue to act like everything is okay, continue to act, because right now, I tell you the truth, what is happening to Mackie right now? Mackie is losing everything. Mackie, you realize the same man. When me tell you, when me come by here and me tell you, say, Mackie friend them is against him, but they're afraid of him. You don't think a joke me a make? You don't think a joke me a make? You see what the friend do? The friend go tell Alicia Kim one thing and then tell Mackie another thing, because Mackie no ram for use up the gun and make them know, say, oh, him got it, even though him a felony. That you continue. You go to our house. You continue. People, listen to what me I say. Uno no know me. That is not a matter of uno me no know. Uno do know me. Uno see me and uno respect me, uno like me, uno care about me. Some of uno don't like me none at all. Me understand that. That's how life go. We all can love everybody. We all can be loved by everybody. It can't work. If everybody love everybody, the world go be in a big problem. You have to have someone that like some and someone hate some. But listen to what me I say. Everything I want to see me come and here come say so far. You no hear me tell no lie about nobody. Sometimes when me do, me turn it, because me not really want to go out there just like that. So me turn it, and then guess what happen? The no brain people them take it and run with it and not even realize say information me a gather in. Because them not understand how them never in a them life interrogate nobody yet. So them not understand how to talk to people. Never in a them life them ever ask anybody any question. Let me tell you something. And this is for your next video, but me go say it. Me see them a talk about me, Carl. This guy where take my whole picture put up in a shots. Wife. And let me tell you something. When me sit down and me listen to the ladies them over there, all of them, cause one lady over there, one of them over there, she about 55, 56. And to me personally, me don't want to, let me say this. I don't want to get entangled with none of these ladies. I don't want to tell them my real mind, because me respect ladies, me respect women, me respect women. And right now, a lot of women from Jamaica living in the US are suffer under the hands of men like Mackie, men like Rum, men like the little dirty mouth one over there. Me not call female name. A lot of women are suffer under the hands of those men and need help. And that is what me want to do. Me want to help. Find ways of helping these people. Me have a video come where me don't know if me go up, me I try to get this lady to come and talk so she can really tell her know what me do for her. And a few people me have out there. But me would like she if can come and tell her know what me do for her. Because it's not everything me like to show people. And guess what? I saw me stay. And me personally, none of uno way out there talk can draw me out and tell me what to do. None of uno. Because remember me, I gotta tell you this. Not one of you out there when me see a talk can stand up in my shoes. So me, there, and I go continue to make my videos like how me I make them. Because guess what happened? Today is the day Alicia Kim show up Mackie, and I go telling you this. I don't know if you go see me make another video calling the name Mackie. You realize how long me not say Mackie in my mouth? I don't know if I'm going to make another one. Because talking about Mackie is like a mess right now. I don't believe. This is what this is content creators. Me know say we don't have to make no money. But I don't believe you all should be giving Mackie any earplay. And after this, me personally, now go give Mackie no earplay. Just as what Kim say, she now go say nothing towards Mackie. Again. So, guys, to be honest with you, if Kim come back out and say something about Mackie, me come back out and say something about Mackie. But as far as me concerned right now, I digressed. Yeah, man, me rest my case. Because this man in lie. And him is a woman beater. Him do a lot of things. I mean, been telling us say him been a do these things to woman. But you don't want to believe me. And then you have people out there I make video I talk about with me say from how far me I go from all them things. Because me know what me I do. And sometimes I don't really want to rude to people. So true me don't want to rude to people. Me left it alone. I mean I answer, me not say nothing, me not make a video, me not do nothing at all. Because true me know what me I do. Me know what me I do. You have some people who just take up a video and just video. But me not just take up video and video. Me do homework. A lot of it. Days and weeks and months. Just forget what me really want. Because you have to get the information, to put it out there, and to make it make sense. You have to make it make sense. If you don't make it make sense, it not gonna make no sense at all. So, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know how to go on tomorrow. Yeah, man. So, I just life. Yeah, man, I just life. Yeah, man, I just life. But, hey, me go make more video, you know. But, me does. This a video sweet. This a video where Kim make sweet. The man say when him just start to talk to Kim, he tell Kim say them can work out something. Can use in son sperm. Oh, hold on. 2 stories in one. Who no hear Kim say when them that do the thing at Jamaica, when she did have the business at Jamaica and she and him. You know hear Kim say the money where people buy, where people pay for the goods. You know you say a Kim, a film carry the money. Hold on. That gonna be one whole video by itself. Hold on. Coming up. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Cello. I'm out. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Peace and love.